Bafana head coach Hugo Bruce has announced his 23-man squad to take on Sierra Leone on the 24th of September 2022 and Botswana on the 27th of September 2022 at FNB Stadium. The following players have received their first Bafana call-up: Melusi Buthelezi from TS Galaxy, Luke Leroux from Farberg Boys FC, Raugelo Sekgota from Kaizer Chiefs, and Sibongiseni Mthethwa from Stellenbosch FC. What I don't understand is how did Sekgota and Lepasa make it to the squad considering their little impact in the teams they represent. Don't get me wrong, I know Lepasa scored a brace against TS Galaxy, but we have forwards that can make better impact, the likes of Ubongo Gushe Shongwano from Minnesota United in the United States of America. Please do share your thoughts down below.